Gonna do a before and after here. Today is Sunday, February 22nd. I'm gonna show how quiet it is in my neighborhood and how it always has been. I moved here in 2003. It's always been quiet. I live on a dead-end street. I don't have any immediate backyard neighbors. The dogs are over there. But this is what it always sounded like. What it sounds like right now. Because the dogs are inside. So I just want you to listen. You can hear some cars off in the background, which has always been the case, never been an issue. Hear how quiet it is? That's why I've been able to live here and work here for 22 years. You can hear some wind chimes. That's what it always sounds like. In the spring and summer, you might hear kids playing. That's about it. Yard work, the usual stuff. See how peaceful that is? Okay, we're gonna compare this to after the dogs come out. Remember I was talking about peace and quiet compared to the noise that the dog makes? That's what I'm talking about.